the 617.
Oh, I'm sorry. 617. Okay. I was only looking at half the draft report. Yeah. Gotcha. You're right, 617, my bad. 617.
Heck yeah.
And you'll get a
if y'all haven't caught on by now, this is my 2012 Mustang GT. Got the VMP supercharger into it, a few other little things. Pretty much, this is going to be a video of, let's see here, I'm going to be installing the passenger side oil separator. So, just bought it. Apparently it's going to go over here, replacing this PVC pipe right here. So I'll get y'all set up here in just a second, and we're going to start taking this stuff apart and installing the new one, which I have right here. This little JLT satin oil separator. Comes with their little play-by-play instructions, a little performance sticker, and a shoebox, which we're not going to need, obviously. So let's get everything set up, and we will start changing this out and let y'all see how it's done. Alright, kind of got everything set up and ready. Try to go ahead and unclip it right here. You gotta press these little red tabs opposite of the way they're open. If you can see this. These little tabs right here. Press it that direction, it pushed and pops out. Perfect example, this one right here. You see it right here a lot better. See that little gray tab right there? Press down, it pulls right back out. So now you got all this right here disconnected and everything from the motor. You gotta take this last little clamp loose and pull this whole section right here out of that rubber hose so we can install the new part. So let me get back to that, and so we've got that clamp out there. Just gonna get it broke loose. PVC. There we go. You see, there's the PVC pipe and all that. We've taken this off. So, old section, I went and took this off the bottom of the catch can. So, now all I gotta do is take this, exactly the same place where that was at, plugged in the same place. So let's try that. See how that works out. Push that on, turn this one. That's literally all you got to do with these, just push them on. Make sure it's on there good and snug. It's on there good and snug. Go ahead. Put this catch can back in here. Make sure you get it good and snug back up to that O-ring. You don't want it leaking out. Everything back everywhere. Have another mess. So, as you can see, that is going to be the completed one. This is with the satin catch can and everything. So that's pretty much what it looks like for the VMP supercharger. This is the stage 2 kit. Doesn't really matter as far as how to install. It's the same installation and everything. Next video I'm going to be doing here pretty soon is I'm going to be installing a boost gauge, and I'm going to show you exactly where to run the vacuum line and everything too, because I know there's not that many videos out for that. So hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see y'all next time.